Q8117-1. A simple way to find the center of a circle on a sketch or drawing or a circular piece of material is to A. Draw two non-parallel chord lines across the circle and then a corresponding perpendicular bisector line across each chord line. B. Draw two parallel chord lines across the circle and then a corresponding perpendicular bisector line across each chord line. C. Draw a single chord line across the circle and then a corresponding perpendicular bisector line across each chord line. The correct answer is A. By drawing two non-parallel chord lines across the circle and then a perpendicular bisector line across each chord line, the point where the two bisector lines intersect will be the center of the circle. 8118-1. According to 14 CFR Part 91, repairs to an aircraft skin should have a detailed dimensional sketch included in the permanent records. 2. On occasion, a mechanic may need to make a simple sketch of a proposed repair to an aircraft, a new design, or a modification. Regarding the above statements, A. Only one is true. B. Only two is true. C. Both 1 and 2 are true. The correct answer is B. The first claim is untrue. Maintenance records must include a description or reference to data acceptable to the administration of the work performed, according to Part 91. Part 91 does not mandate that a thorough dimensional sketch of a repair be included in the aircraft's permanent records. It is correct to assert, too. A straightforward sketch is frequently required to assist a mechanic with a fix, a new design, or an odd change. 8119. Working drawings may be divided into three classes. They are A. Title drawings, installation drawings, and assembly drawings. B. Detail drawings, assembly drawings, and installation drawings. C. Detail drawings, orthographic projection drawings, and pictorial drawings. The correct answer is B. Working drawings are typically broken down into three categories: detail drawings, assembly drawings, and installation drawings. Detail drawings provide specific information about individual components, while assembly drawings show how the components fit together. Installation drawings depict how the overall structure must be installed. 8119-1. What is the class of working drawing that is the description divided by depiction of a single part? A. Installation drawing. B. Assembly drawing. C. Detail drawing. The correct answer is C. It is a class of working drawing that provides a detailed description of a single part, including all necessary information such as dimensions, materials, and finishing. Detailed drawings help manufacturers and fabricators to understand the part's design and produce it accurately. 8120. Sketches are usually made easier by the use of A. Graph paper. B. Plain white paper. C. Artist paper. The correct answer is A. Graph paper is a type of paper that has a grid or a series of small squares on it, which makes it easier to draw sketches with precision and accuracy. The grid helps in creating straight lines and proportional shapes, and also aids in measuring the size and distance between various elements of the sketch. However, the choice of paper ultimately depends on the preference of the artist and the type of sketch being created.